afternoon. You're watching Breaking Ground and I'm Swati Joshi. It's been 5 days since the Waqf Amendment Bill was passed in Lok Sabha and 4 days since it got approval in Rajya Sabha. But it looks like the opposition is yet to come to terms with it. Why do we say that? Take a look at the visuals on your screens. These are visuals from Jammu and Kashmir Assembly from yesterday and today as well. These dramatic clips show the irate and infuriated legislators tearing the copy of the Waqf Amendment Act and storming the well of the House. It all started yesterday after the Speaker Rahim Rathar refused an adjournment motion to discuss the Waqf Act, citing that the matter is sub judice. This triggered absolute chaos on the floor of the House, which continued even today. Legislators from PDP, NC, Congress and a few independents stood their ground demanding a discussion. As tension soared, several MLAs were marshalled out. Amid chaos, PDP mounted an attack on the ruling National Conference, accusing it of being hand in glove with the BJP-led central government. PDP MLA Wahid Para, who was marshalled out today, said that the National Conference-led government is working to execute BJP's agenda.
हमने आज एक रेजोल्यूशन लाया था कल हंगामे के बाद, which is against the amendments brought in the Waqf bill. ये हमारे मजहब का मसला है, but unfortunately ये स्पीकर, ये असेंबली, ये हुकूमत 60 MLA है मुसलमान यहाँ पर, मुस्लिम चीफ मिनिस्टर है जो कल रेड कारपेट कर रहे थे किरेन रिजिजू का, who tabled the bill. This government is working for BJP and on their agenda. Not just they are normalizing 370, they are normalizing the anti-Muslim bill. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमने जब बात की, रेजोल्यूशन दिया, कल भी गायब हुआ. आज जब हमने रेजोल्यूशन दिया तो हमें मार्शल आउट किया गया. They are completely helping BJP and working on their agenda. ये कहते हैं कि हम इस पर रेजोल्यूशन ला ही नहीं सकते. What is stopping? There is no law that stops J&K Assembly to bring 60 MLAs. Cannot bring a one resolution against Waqf Amendment bill.
Sajjad Lone mocked ruling NC, saying that the party's claims of opposing the act were just a pretense and hence the speaker opposed the debate. They also suggested the removal of speaker as the only solution.
हम भी चाहते हैं कि रेजोल्यूशन हो, because J&K is the only Muslim majority province in the entire country. The Muslims of India deserve that a strong message goes from here. लेकिन उसके लिए स्पीकर साहब नहीं मान रहे हैं. स्पीकर साहब को मैंने नहीं रखा है वहां, स्पीकर साहब को नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल ने इलेक्ट किया है. अगर वो सीरियस हैं, वो नो कॉन्फिडेंस लाएं, उनको रिमूव करें, नए स्पीकर साहब को लाएं जो अलाउ करेगा. बारिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ दैट देयर इज नो अदर सॉल्यूशन. यही एक सॉल्यूशन है.
Well, these allegations were countered. NC Chief Farooq Abdullah said that the discussion was opposed by Speaker as the matter was in Supreme Court. Listen in.
नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस इस बिल के समझती है ये गैर आईनी है और इसलिए जो पार्टीज इस वक्त सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हैं, इसीलिए स्पीकर साहब ने डिबेट नहीं देने दी, क्योंकि मसला अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर पहुंच गया है. हमें उम्मीद है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट इंसाफ करेगी.
Well, on the other hand, the BJP has hit out at both the PDP and NC, questioning how could they oppose the act when it was passed in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
ऐसा है कि अब्दुल्ला और या मुफ्तीस दोनों बासी कड़ी में उबाल दे रहे हैं. देश की सबसे बड़ी पंचायत दोनों सदनों ने जिस विधेयक को पास कर दिया, आप उस पर चर्चा लोअर हाउस में कैसे कर सकते हैं? एक विधानसभा केंद्र के बिल पर, विधेयक पर पास होने के बाद उस पर चर्चा कर रही है. केवल सुर्खियां बटोरने की कोशिश की जा रही है. मैं कहना चाहूंगा अब्दुल्ला एंड मुफ्ती से कि एक बार उसको पढ़ तो लीजिए.
देखिए, बदकिस्मती है, यह डेमोक्रेसी का कत्ल हो रहा है. हाउस की प्रोसीडिंग चलनी चाहिए, हाउस की प्रोसीडिंग चलने नहीं दे रहे. कल भी क्वेश्चन आवर नहीं चलने दिया. आज तो स्पीकर साहब ने शुरुआत भी की और हमारे पहले क्वेश्चन में राजीव सिसोदिया जी के लिए उन्होंने बोला भी, जैसे ही बात रेज हुई, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के लोग, यहाँ दूध की रखवाली में बिल्ली बैठी हुई है, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के लोग अपनी पार्टी के स्पीकर के खिलाफ बैल में आ गए और उन्होंने शोरगुल शुरू कर दिया. फिर पीडीपी के लोगों ने इनको एहसास करवा दिया कि भैया तुम वक्त की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हो, वहां ट्यूलिप गार्डन में सैर हो रही है. तो कहीं ना कहीं इनकी रस्साकशी में हमारे हाउस का कीमती टाइम जो वेस्ट हो रहा है.
We have Yavar joining us on the broadcast with more details. Chaos yesterday and today as well. Yavar, PDP says that NC is only trying to pretend that it's opposed to the act. Meanwhile, it's carrying forward BJP's agenda.
Well, exactly. These are the allegations that were leveled by the PDP against the National Conference. In fact, they have to say that the National Conference is doing the same what the BJP is doing at rest parts of the country. And there are a lot of the scenes that were unfolded yesterday and today as well in the assembly. The papers were torn, there was a brawl, there was eye-to-eye confrontation between the National Conference MLA and the Sajjad Lone of the People's Conference. In fact, the Sajjad Lone has also, set the notion on the record. He said that the speaker should be removed because he has become an impediment of voicing against the Waqf Amendment Act that was passed in the Parliament. Though the speaker has mentioned the Rule 57 seeking that the matter is sub judice and can't be, put in a table in the House. And in fact, today he also mentioned that what has been done in the Parliament can't be undone. So these were the clear mentioned words from him. Despite giving the two adjournment to the House, there was a rux that were continuously containing there. It has eventually led to the call of this session for this day as well. Now this assembly is going to commence tomorrow 10 a.m. But there was a 2 day that went wasted. That's what the BJP also said, that there should be a question answer session on the table. However, the chaos has completely ruined the atmosphere inside the House. The National Conference MLAs, the PDP MLAs, the independent MLAs, so as the Congress, which is an alliance of the National Conference, they were in a continuous confrontation with the BJP and others as well. In the morning, when initially it was started, the PDP leader Wahid Para, who moved a fresh resolution seeking the discussion on this bill, was marshalled out. Then there was a chaos that was continuously witnessed. Yesterday, the Farooq Abdullah has clarified that the matter is sub judice, and they are hoping that the Supreme Court will deliver something that's, in the favor of the minorities of the country. But somehow, we are continuously witnessing that the National Conference is doing on the ground table. They are not allowing the proceedings to be done, so as the PDP, so as the independent MLAs and the Congress as well. But yes, for the entire day today, it has been adjourned by the Speaker. And the Speaker is also adamant that they won't allow any sort of discussion with regard to the Waqf Amendment Bill because the sides of the rule can't allow him to do so. Back to you.
Right. Well, the NC has made it clear that as far as these allegations are concerned, they hold no substance, because their counter is that the Speaker is not allowing for a discussion because the matter is sub judice, and we know that there are 11 petitions here in the Supreme Court that are, either questioning the act itself or the validity of the bill.
Well, exactly, it's in the Supreme Court. That's what the Speaker has also said, that let the court decide. Why we are, putting up the discussions here, because this is not only violating the norms of the business proceedings of the House, yet it is wasting the time of the House. That's a Speaker from the National Conference. In fact, he's a veteran leader of the National Conference, has clarified and tried to convey to the members as well. But somehow we are witnessing that neither the National Conference is in a mood, nor the Congress, its allies partners. So as the PDP, they are up arms against this move. And in fact, all of the things have been put in place. The no confidence motion have been put in place by the Sajjad Lone along with other MLAs seeking the removal of the Speaker, current Speaker. But somehow the Speaker is adamant on one point, that he won't allow any sort of discussion being done on the table, because what is not being written on the table, what is not being written on the rules will never be allowed inside the House. So this is the thing that has been put in place.
All right. Yeah, but keep tracking all the developments. For the moment, thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on.